Stephen Playford is my name. I'm CEO of Australian Sheepskin Apparel located in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. In this session we're going to be talking about Australian Medical Sheepskin and its ability to maintain standard body temperature. This is an amazing aspect of the product in the regard that you can see we're starting here again with the wool fibres and such. And as we talked about in previous sessions, we were looking at moisture absorption with the wicking of moisture content through the hollow fibre and such. The hollow fibre is what makes this product also a natural insulator. Because with every follicle or every fibre and approximately 75,000 fibres per square inch being naturally hollow, creates an airspace between the skin interface and the leather on the back. That airspace then has the ability to maintain standard body temperature for somebody laying in bed, sitting in a lazy type layback chair throughout the day with the sheepskin lining the chair, and also in areas where diabetes is a problem and utilising footwear and such to maintain standard limb temperature for a person suffering with blood flow issues to the feet. And one of the things that they always first notice is how cold their limbs start to become. The simple fact of maintaining standard body temperature at 37 degrees centigrade or 98.3 degrees Fahrenheit has an amazing effect on the human body. In this next slide here you can see that the product, as we're going to be talking about here, is very effective for arthritis sufferers, and it's also very effective for diabetic wounds. And to break it down in a nutshell, if you take somebody that suffers with arthritis and you lay them on a standard Australian Medical Sheepskin bed pad as such, you will help to maintain their entire body temperature at 37 degrees centigrade. What that does is that will optimise or help to optimise blood flow to the entire body without the heart having to pump like crazy to do that. When it does that, any inflammation between the joints of an arthritis sufferer that causes pain, that oxygenated blood flow causes that inflammation to reduce. When it does that, their pain tolerance levels come down to where they don't feel the pain anywhere near as much as they used to prior to getting the blood flow into the joints, and they sleep like a baby. One of the biggest things that an arthritis sufferer falls victim to is a horrible night's sleep because of pain right throughout the entire period of sleep. When we can maintain their body temperature and increase blood flow without the heart having to pump like crazy to do so, we make an amazing difference within the body itself. You can see here we also have the larger bed pad for people that need the coverage all the way down to their feet and such. And these are an amazing unit. These are about 5 feet long by about 30 inches wide, or 30 by 60. And these are a leading product that we manufacture, and the ability of maintaining standard body temperature on these is quite unbelievable. The reason that we know that the product is a natural insulator is because of these fellows. When these aircraft came back across the English Channel, they were like Swiss cheese. The flow-through ventilation at 26 to 30,000 feet created sub-zero temperatures in these aircraft that are not survivable by a human being. The only product that they could wear, as you can see here, was natural sheepskin. They were dressed from head to foot in sheepskin because it's the only product that would keep their blood flowing at freezing altitudes and not allow them to freeze to death at altitude. When you apply this exact same process to a diabetic, and you put a diabetic limb that is freezing cold because of a lack of blood flow getting into that leg, and you apply an Australian Medical Sheepskin long boot to that leg, you are going to return that limb temperature back to 37 degrees centigrade. As well as the aspect of the way that the product absorbs moisture content from the skin tissue, that also enables that blood flow to get out to the outer layers of tissue as well. So by maintaining body temp at 37 degrees centigrade, absorbing excess moisture content, and we also know about the aspects of pressure reduction and such, we've gone a massively long way to preventing wounds from occurring for people suffering with diabetes, and to maintaining standard body temperature for somebody suffering with arthritis and allowing them to sleep much, much better overnight. If you need any further information on this, you can contact us through Australian Sheepskin Apparel at shawbiz.ca, and or you can go to the website at australianmedicalsheepskins.com or ask your vendor for more information. Thank you very much.